Hey guys, what's up? It's your one and only Forex Skill Coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited to have you guys on this tutorial today, because on this tutorial I'll be brushing you up on how to create a very simple, working and powerful and active strategy to catch spikes and even trade the candlesticks both in boom and in crash. Okay, I'll be using just one trade to teach you this, but you can implement the same technique on both boom and crash 1000 or 500, whichever one.